Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn your gaming footage into eye-catching TikTok clip using CapCut. Let's make your gameplay stand out. Let's dive in. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your gaming footage by selecting it from your gallery. This is the main clip we will be editing for TikTok. To make it fit perfectly on TikTok, go to Format and select 9:16 aspect ratio. This will adjust your clip to a vertical format ideal for TikTok layout. To make your clip more engaging, add caption or text for key moments. Tap on text and then select Add Text. Now you type in your message. Adjust the font, the size and color to match the theme of your game. You can also add text effects or animation to make it pop. Another step is to include sound effects or music. Go to the audio section and add sound effects or background music to enhance the experience. CapCut offers a library of sound, and you can import your own music to sync with the intense or funny moments in the gameplay. To keep viewers hooked, add transition or zooms at important parts. Tap on the clip, then go to animation for transition or use the pinch to zoom gesture for manual zooms. You can also add keyframe to smoothly zoom in and out during action-packed moments. Once you are happy with your edit, tap export at the top and your gaming clip will be saved, ready to be shared on TikTok. And there you go guys, you've created a dynamic gaming clip for TikTok in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.